We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Hey, what is up guys? New Tech Begins here. In this video we're gonna go ahead and fly with the FA-18 Super Hornet edition, Blue Angels edition, from the US Navy. And this plane looks really amazing. Without further ado, let's begin. Start the engines and let's take off. Must mention that this plane is in the beta stage, so there are some flaws like the gear, and but other than that it is amazing. Just look at this plane. Okay, let's try to take off. Wow, gears up. Let's fly around. Just departed from the Kennedy International Airport. Let's fly around a bit. This plane looks amazing. I really like it. Flying here over New York City. If we have a look inside the airplane, let's take a look inside. It looks a bit like old schoolish, but like a real fighter jet. Nice. Right. Liberty International. And in this video we're gonna go ahead and install the FA-18 Super Hornet airplane into Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. This plane looks really amazing. I love this plane. Just look at the design. That looks nice. It's got some small flaws. When you want to take off, the gears are not standard out, but yeah, other than that, you can land with it, you can fly with it. Wow, that plane looks really nice. I'm very excited. So without further ado, let's begin. And I'm gonna show you how to install this airplane into Flight Simulator 2020. So you want to go ahead and open your favorite internet browser, And from your Google or DuckDuckGo site, you want to type in the search. In this case, it's gonna be MSFS space add-ons space F-A space 18. And let me just scroll down. And you will see here at Essentials, the latest and greatest A-18 fighter jet. I'm gonna go ahead and click on there. Alright, we got a little preview of this airplane. Oh, that looks amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll down until you see the black button, which is this one here. Download the FA18 via Mega. Click here. Okay, the Mega download starts. Just click on download and it will start to download the file. Depending on your internet speed, this will take a few seconds. Alright guys, let's put it onto the desktop. Right here. Once it has finished downloading, go ahead and close the internet browser. Here is our file. And go ahead and copy and paste it into your flight simulator directory. In my case, it's in this PC, Windows 10. We'll go ahead and go to Program Files x86. There's a flight simulator. To do that. How to install the plane. Just follow the instructions here, you will be good to go. If you have installed a Microsoft Flight Simulator, contents custom folder will follow like to your Microsoft Flight Simulator community folder. Airport. It's got the HLM packages of Visual Steam. Airport and Sonda. I'm just looking here. I don't know. What's in that file here? Just wondering what's in there. In this file. There's FA18 sim objects, airplanes. So right click on it and then we do new folder. Gonna type in something like just do here a copy paste of this one. You do just new and copy new the new folder. this, and then we put the name FA-18, just like that. RTC Soviets. What's in here?
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost.
Soviets. So starting from here. Copy. Because if I go to the it's the contents of the file. Contains. This is it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put it right here. Okay, so now we should do this thing. I will choose channel packages, stations, team. I go to another aircraft, for example the Bonanza G36. Simulate airplane, yes, and then we got everything about the plane. Right, let's try it out. Let's see if it works. So, okay. No, that's there it is. The Boeing FA-18. Well, the image is not really clear. That's okay. Alright, so here we have it. I clicked it. Departure airport. Let's do Seattle. Type in. I'm going to go to Seattle. Tacoma International. Yeah, let's start from the Seattle Tacoma International Airport and let's fly. Hey, what is up guys? New Tech Begins here, and in this video we're gonna go ahead and install the FA-18 Super Hornet Airplane into Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. This plane looks really amazing. I love this plane. Just look at the design. That looks nice. It's got some small flaws when you want to take off. The gears are not standard out, but yeah, other than that, you can land with it, you can fly with it. Without further ado, let's begin. First, I'm going to show you how it flies. From the US Navy, and this plane looks really amazing. Without further ado, let's begin. Start the engines and let's take off. I must mention that this plane is in beta stage, so there are some flaws with the gear, but other than that, it is amazing. Just look at this plane. Is it straight to take off? Wow. Yes, sir. Just departed from the Kennedy International Airport. flying here over New York City. Have a look inside the airplane. Let's take a look inside. It looks a bit like old schoolish, but like a real fighter jet. Nice. Right.